Umaasa naman si Meralco Bolts head coach Norman Black na maipagpapatuloy nila ang good start sa Governor's Cup sa pagharap nila sa tropang TNT bukas. Isinantabi naman niya ang pagsasabi ng ilan na title contender na ang koponan. Ang report hatid sa atin ni Kay Asuncion.
Isang linggong nakapahinga ang Meralco Bolts matapos ang 2-game winning streak sa pag-umpisa ng 2016 PBA Governor's Cup. Ayon kay Meralco Bolts head coach Norman Black, naging magandang oportunidad ito para mapaghandaan ang laban nila kontra tropang TNT kung saan layo nilang masungkit ang ikatlong sunod na panalo para manatili sa tuktok ng standings. Dalawang players mula sa TNT ang pagtutuunan daw ng kanilang atensyon pagdating sa depensa.
Whenever you play talk and text, I guess the number one thing is the two-man game between Ranadell and Jason. Where Ranadell normally sets screens for Jason and then he pops for three-point shot. And then the other side of that is Jason getting penetration to the basket. So that's a major concern for us. We really have to do a good job of defending a two-man game, particularly between Jason and Ranadell, or Jason and the import for that matter.
Umaasa naman si Black na mas magiging maganda ang showing ni Asian import Mohammad Jamshidi sa kanilang ikatlong game. Isang araw bago ang kanilang first game nang dumating ang Iranian import dahilan para hindi ito maging pamilyar sa sistema ni Black. Nag-struggle din ang 6'3" Asian reinforcement sa kanyang 14 minutes na paglalaro kung saan 6 ang na-miss nitong field goal attempts.
And he's getting much better. He's learning the system a lot more than he knew in our last game. And I expect him to play much better tomorrow. Try to continue our run here at the beginning of the conference. I just hope we can continue to play well and win so we can get ahead of the other teams. Because normally, at some point in the conference, you normally stumble a little bit. So teams that can get out ahead in the beginning really have an easier time later.
Isinantabi naman ng champion PBA coach ang bansag sa Bolts bilang title contender ngayong season-ending conference. Ayon kay Black, marami pa silang kinakailangang gawin para makapasok sa playoffs na siyang pangunahin nilang target sa ngayon.
But it's nice. I mean, it just means that we've improved. We've improved over the course of the year. The local players have played much better. And we've been able to recruit very good imports the last two conferences to support the local players. So it's a good sign for our program. But at the same time, you know, we still have a lot to improve on. We still have a lot to prove, and it's nice to be in the same breath with the San Miguels and the Talking Texas and the Alaskas and the Rain and Shine. But we still have to prove it before we can actually achieve what they have achieved.
Bukas nakatakda ang labanan ng Meralco Bolts at tropang TNT alas 3 ng hapon sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Kay Asuncion, PTV Sports.